The vwap-plus-indicator for MT4 is a volume-weighted average price indicator using volume as an integral component. The indicator provides trading signals primarily using the vwap line. Additionally, the indicator plots dynamic support and resistance lines which are effective in trading intraday price charts. So, forex traders can use the bullish and bearish trading signals of the vwap line and simultaneously use the support and resistance levels. The indicator works well for new and advanced forex traders. New forex traders can use the indicator to identify reversal points based on the dynamic support and resistance lines. However, advanced forex traders can use price action and other technical trading strategies to confirm price reversal. Additionally, the indicator works well in all intraday price charts as well as the daily, weekly, and monthly price charts. The dynamic support and resistance lines of vwap perform their best in the lower time frame charts of M5, M15 and are a boon for intraday technical traders. The vwap plus indicator is just another variation of the volume-weighted average price indicator. The plus, in this case, means additional lines that act as dynamic support resistance levels. They can also work as take-profit targets. Nonetheless, the basic principle stays the same. Long trades above the main vwap line and short trades below the main vwap line. Buy signal price is located above the main vwap plus line. Aqua color price touches it and then rejects it. Price swings higher from recent low. Swing buy trade is triggered after the above conditions are met. Set stop loss a few pips below the last swing low of the market. Take profit or exit a touch of the second or last extension. Yellow color, use your own method of trade. Exit sell signal price is located below the main vwap plus line. Aqua color price touches it and then rejects it. Price swings lower from recent high. Swing sell trade is triggered after the above conditions are met. Set stop loss a few pips above the last swing high of the market. Take profit or exit a touch of the second or last extension. Yellow color, use your own method of trade. Exit. What is vwap and MVWAP? Volume weighted average price, VWAP, and moving volume weighted average price, MVWAP, are trading tools that can be used by all traders to ensure they are getting the best price. However, these tools are used most frequently by short-term traders and in algorithm-based trading programs. Key takeaways: volume weighted average price, VWAP, and moving volume weighted average price, MVWAP, are trading tools that can be used by all traders to ensure they are getting the best price. VWAP is the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, based on both volume and price. MVWAP is a user-defined average of VWAP calculations and has no final value as it can run fluidly from one day to the next. VWAP is often used as a trading benchmark by investors who aim to be as passive as possible in their execution. Many pension and mutual funds fall into this category. The aim of using a VWAP is to ensure that the trader executing the order does so in line with volume on the market. VWAP is also often used in algorithmic trading. Indeed, a broker may guarantee execution of an order at the VWAP and have a computer program enter the orders into the market in order to earn the trader's commission and create P&L. This is called a guaranteed VWAP execution. The broker can also trade in a best effort way and answer to the client the realized price. This is called a VWAP target execution. It incurs more dispersion in the answered price compared to the VWAP price for the client, but a lower received/paid commission. Trading algorithms that use VWAP as a target belong to a class of algorithms known as volume participation algorithms. VWAP plus indicator for MT4 VWAP trading signals. The above used H1 price chart shows the VWAP plus indicator for MT4 in action. The indicator shows the VWAP line in aqua and the resistance lines as yellow and the support lines as white. If the price crosses the aqua line upwards, it indicates a bullish trend. So, forex traders can enter the market with a buy position once the price closes and stays above the aqua line. The best profit targets are at the yellow resistance lines and the stop loss is below the previous swing low. Similarly, if the price makes a downward cross of the VWAP aqua line, it shows a bearish market trend. So, forex traders can take a sell trade if the price closes below the aqua line. A stop loss above the previous swing high and take profit targets at the white support lines are prudent. Understanding VWAP and MVWAP. MVWAP may be used by longer-term traders, but VWAP only looks at one day at a time due to its intraday calculation. Both indicators are a special type of price average that takes into account volume, which provides a much more accurate snapshot of price action. The indicators also act as benchmarks for individuals and institutions that wish to gauge if they had good execution or poor execution on their order. Calculating VWAP is the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, based on both volume and price, and is important because it provides traders with insight into both the trend and value of a security. The VWAP calculation is performed by charting software and displays an overlay on the chart representing the calculations. This display takes the form of a line, similar to other moving averages. How that line is calculated is as follows: choose your time frame, tick chart, 1 minute, 5 minutes, etc. Calculate the typical price for the first period, and all periods in the day following. Typical price is attained by adding the high, low and close, and dividing by 3, H plus L plus C/3 multiply this typical price by the volume for that period. This will